Hello guys and welcome to Elexhub channel. Another day, another tutorial from Elexhub Engineering Department. Ang Bamboo Lab Studio offers a technique to print stunning models with minimal material use. Ito ay ang spiral base mode, a feature that enables seamless, continuous, and single-wall object printing. Sa halip of printing layer by layer with noticeable start and stop points, the printer moves in a continuous spiral and prints only one perimeter, ensuring a smooth surface with no visible layer transitions. This mode is ideal for printing decorative bases, lightweight containers, and artistic sculptures. Ngunit tandaan na model printed in the spiral base mode ay meron lamang isang loophole, walang infill and top shell. Therefore, it is only applicable to models with relatively simple structures. To enable the spiral base mode, on the left panel settings under the Process tab, click on the Others tab. Scroll down until you see the Special Mode section. If you enable the spiral base mode, it will automatically adjust the settings to set the outer wall to 1, the top shell layer to 0, and the sparse infill density to 0%. Kapag gusto mo naman to print multiple objects simultaneously using the spiral base mode in one plate, choose the By Object option in the print sequence. When the smooth spiral option is enabled, an arc fitting connection will be made to eliminate seams on the model surface. This is suitable for bases with smooth surfaces transitions and not so in bases with obvious edges. Maximum XY smoothing threshold. This threshold represents the maximum XY plane travel distance, the maximum distance between the fitted arc and the original path in the XY plane. When in percentage, the threshold is calculated based on the nozzle diameter. For example, a 0.4mm nozzle and a 200% XY smoothing threshold means that the threshold is 0.8mm. Dito na nagtatapos ang tutorial. Thank you for watching. To learn more, subscribe to Elexhub channel and see you in the next tutorial.